Now here we need to find the value of a and b, right? A and b. Here first of all, you need to know this theorem, but the when you normally we call alternate segment theorem. When you have tangent to this circle, at that tangent point, if you have a chord like this way, right, this way chord, right, this way chord at that tangent point, this chord subtended angle at circumference from this 2 point, this is the chord, this is the chord, this chord subtended angle, that means like this way, subtended angle at circumference, this one will be equal to this. But the chord and tangent, between chord and tangent, that means this angle will be equal to this. So here also, with that theorem directly you can find a here. Look very carefully, they tell no FB or BF is the tangent now at A, and point A they make this okay, we can think EA or AE is a chord, also CA also chord, but it don't need B here. We need this one EA. This chord subtended angle at circumference, that means EA subtended angle like this way, A, right? EA subtended angle at, see it is A here, that will be equal to this angle, tangent and chord between that two angle, that means 28. So directly you can write for the A equal 28 degrees, right, for the A. The problem is for the B, right? How to find the B? Now for me, I got kind of little long method, but I explain to you that method maybe sometime little quick method than this. Anyway, now look here. Then after you need to know this theorem, but the when you have parallel two line, we call normally interior right angle, these two add up to 180 like that. If now they tell no this AC and ED parallel, they put this parallel sign, no, it not look like parallel, but you have to think, if they give has information these two parallel, you have to think it's parallel. So that means this angle plus this angle must be 180, that means 50 plus this angle. This angle mean here DEA, right? This complete angle, this one must be this both together, this angle plus 50 should be 180, because like this way interior right angle. So I can write 50 plus this angle I can call as DEA. DEA should be 180. From that you can get DEA, right? DEA will be what, the 180 minus 50. I will do it quickly here. Here will be 130. So this will be 130. Now again, you know, in a cyclic quadrilateral, now this is a cyclic quadrilateral, no, ACDE is a cyclic quadrilateral. This all vertices on the circumference, this one and this one, circumference. So that's why you can think this has a cyclic quadrilateral. Then this angle plus this angle should be again 180, right? That's the idea. So I mean this angle means this both together, like we did here. This angle and this angle must be add up to 180. So you can write here, we got answer has DEA has 130. So 130 plus this both together, I mean A plus B, will be 180. So I can write 130 plus that means this angle plus this angle. Normally we know in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle supplementary or opposite angle add up to 180. Now in this cyclic quadrilateral, that means ACDE cyclic quadrilateral, this angle and this angle opposite angle. So that's why this plus this must be 180. So 130 plus B plus A should be 180. So again here A we know, 130 plus B, A mean we got already, it is 28, 180 here. So when you add these two together, 130 plus 130 plus 28 mean 158. 158 I will bring to this side, right? Minus 158. So B will be what, the 180 minus 58. So it will be 22. 180 minus 58, right? So this is the answer for B, right?